Hey everybody, and welcome back to my cast iron cooking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook mozzarella sticks in a cast iron skillet. Stay tuned. Okay everybody, what you're going to need to do the fried mozzarella sticks is you're going to need some block cheese, about 2-pound block of cheese, mozzarella. I'll show you why I have this in a second. I use the mozzarella sticks, the string cheese. That's what I like to use, and I cut them in half and make them minis. But I'll show you how to do this. Then you're going to need a couple of eggs, depending on how much you want to make, and splash some milk in there. If you don't have milk, a little splash of water. We're going to make an egg wash out of it. Go ahead and get your breadcrumbs. These are seasoned. If you don't have seasoned, you can use regular. Pour in some garlic salt and a little bit of oregano or whatever you want to make it look a little greener. Put a little more Parmesan cheese in. I'm going to put that much in for that amount, and then we're going to go ahead and stir these. Now that I've got these two things stirred up, if you don't have the string cheese and you want to use regular mozzarella, get a 2-pound block, cut it like this, about this wide as you want the cheese sticks to go, and then when you do that, cut it again like this, and there'll be squares longer about, about like that. So either way you got it, doesn't matter. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take the mozzarella sticks, put them in the flour. Don't use real mozzarella because that's soft. You want the American mozzarella, the dry stuff. So you're going to put it here, and you're going to drop it into the eggs. I don't know if you guys can see that. You're going to pull it out, shake it a little bit, and then go ahead and put it in the breadcrumbs with your other hand so you don't gunk up the place. Go ahead and put that in there. Put it back into the egg wash. Coat it one time again, and then put it back in the breadcrumbs. You got to double dip it if you want it to be crispy. Now if you've got a cookie sheet with paper, wax paper lined up, that'll be good. I don't have a cookie sheet because the one I bought was a gift, and it had some kind of Teflon coated crap on there. I used to have a stainless steel one, and it was really nice, but it warped because I put it in the dishwasher back when I was lazy. Okay, so the flour, egg wash, breadcrumbs, back into the egg wash, back into the breadcrumbs. Line it up on your cookie sheet or whatever you got, and you just keep doing the process over. Okay, now that we're all finished with these, we're going to put them in the freezer for a minimum of 2 hours, maximum overnight. You put them in the freezer to make everything stiffen up so it'll fry better, and you double dip these so the cheese doesn't ooze out. They're a little bit ugly because I didn't beat up my egg wash enough, and so it got a little droopy. So we'll put these in the freezer. I want to thank everybody, all my viewers, for over 1 million views, and a big shout out to my active subscribers that comment on my channel. It really helps me out a lot. I have a deep fryer pan here, antique Wagner. Doesn't matter. You want to get the oil up a couple inches, at least halfway up your pan if it's a regular pan. This won't go to waste because I saved my oil. Okay, my pan should be up to temp. The reason why we have the spider strainer is because you want to do them in batches. You don't want to throw them all there at one time like I did on my last video with the waffle fries. And you don't want them to stick all together, so that's probably too much. This should be okay. Okay. We'll go ahead and we'll keep doing these in batches until it's all done. Okay, the first batch is done. You want to cook these about 2 minutes on each side. And I've got some marinara sauce. You can use marinara sauce, pizza sauce. If you don't have anything else, I guess you could use spaghetti sauce. Okay, I've turned off the stove. Let's go ahead and set that backwards. And let's dig into these bad boys. Alright, let's dig in. Dip it a little bit. Okay. Crispy and delicious. Remember, folks, don't hate congratulate. Tell me what you want to see me cook. Thanks.